Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm out of my shower now, which it's come out a treat. I love it. I love the strip drain. See the piece of tile in my strip drain? I've just put that there just to check my lines, because I might have been slightly out coming across the back against the wall. But you just check that. You just check it, people, and it's all good to go. I don't like, everyone's different, but I like a tight joint where I split my tile. In this case, like, you've got to split your tile. I don't like doing splits, but in this case you have to. And it comes out lovely. But all the water coming from that shower rose will just hit that. It'll probably only come about up to here where my hand is. It won't even come any further. But if it did, I've got a water stop there that stops any water coming out. That line there is where the glass screen goes, and it'll be about a metre. So it's approximately out to here. You walk around, walk in, turn the shower on. Bloody beautiful. So now I'm just pumping out this floor. Won't take long. Get that out of the road for a bit. I never used to be a fan of putting my waterproof on top of the screed, but these days it makes sense. See my mitre? I've mitred that, so I get up and over my aluminium. Come on. I'm not using clips there because the aluminium's in the road, so you do it old school by hand. Where is another mitred tile? There. Always allow a bit. I'll cut two of them. So I've got to change that around because I don't want the cut edge. It's cutting it wrong if I do that. If I turn it around like so, keep an eye on that mark because I need to cut another one. Plain one. I said to the owner, you've bought a nice tile. It cuts easily. Mark it for length. Give it a little bit. And you're laughing. There you go. What we now need is a clip and a wedge. There we go. Cut another one too. I need another one. Give it a bit of room. I was getting ahead of myself there. That's good. Keep the glue away. Oh, careful, Chriso. That's how you chip your tiles, people. That's nice. I like that. I like it. Right, is that one going to fit in the corner, or am I going to have to take a little piece off the corner because of my waterproofing? Yep, let's just take a little bit off. If the waterproofing was under the screed, I would have had a tight corner. But that doesn't happen when you're having your waterproof on top. But that's easy, you just trim and take out your corner. Oh, might have to just trim it a bit more. Okay. No biggie. Yep. Let's just cut a bit off like that. Bit of a corner cut across there. There you have it, everyone. Where's me rubber hammer? Banging a clip. Square things up a little, and there we have it, people. I'll come back soon.